It's already on.
Can you see my face?
It's already videotaping.
Okay, we're gonna do the air horn prank on my sister. Let's go.
Just got some plates.
Where'd you go?
That was the air horn prank.